go to code.org. Code.org, you type it in, hit enter, and this is what you'll see. Let me log out of here so you'll see what it looks like. This is what code.org home page looks like. Now, what I need for you to do is sign in, and we're not going to sign in over here. You don't have to worry about anything over here. You're going to continue with Google because everything now is connected to Google. And this is one of the apps that is also connected with Google. So we're going to pick our name, email rather, that CCSD supplied us with. And we're going to click, it's going to ask you about access to your Google Classroom roster. This will help you in a later time. So you want to choose allow. So I am letting them look through my Google Classroom. Now, it'll ask you to add your school. Whatever name your school is will show up here. So after that, you're going to go down and you're going to create a new classroom. So you click this, and depending on your students, if they're older, they can create their own if you want to keep track of it. I personally recommend that you either do the Word logins so that you can keep track of it, or the picture logins. The personal logins is when they're home, they can do their own thing and they're going on code with their parent, that's fine. They can do that. They can keep that information. We don't have to be bothered with it. So for me, I'm going to do picture logins and I'm going to create a class. So let's say firsties. And that's because they're in the first grade. So we're going to click 1. We're going to select the very first course, which is course A. And then we're going to come down and we're going to make sure that these are checked yes. These are for later times when actually we are face-to-face teaching. So we are going to click save. And we are now going to add students to the firsties class. So I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to type a name in. All you need to do is type in the first name. But make sure you type in their ages and their gender. So I am going to click add now. Now, as you see, the name is added, but it also has a set of numbers down there. So this becomes their username. You see their age is there and their gender. Now, up at the top, this is your section code or your classroom code. So I'm going to have to look at this picture because once I show you this part. Okay, this is my picture. So now I'm going to log out and show you how that part works. So I've signed out. So now I'm going to sign in as a student. The student signed in. Remember that section code is right here. So all they need is that latter part there, this part here. And once they put that in, they can put it in capitalized, lowercase, it doesn't matter. And they click go. Then they choose their name and the picture associated with their name. So in this case, my picture was this. Then I sign in, and then you'll come to a list of courses or lessons. And they'll have to go through each and every lesson. Now, teachers, I want to show you how you can watch everything your student is doing. So, I'm going to log out and log back in as with my CCSD ID and allow them to, yes, we're going to click allow. And now I am going to check to see what my firsties are doing. So I'm going to click on this. And now you can see where Robin is, what class she's in, what level she's at, and the standards. That's the Common Core standards. So you're going to see what it is that they're doing and how it meets the standard, the lesson. So you definitely want to keep a track of your students. Again, I'll go back so you can see what I did. All I did was clicked on the name of the class. And here's where you'll see all of your students, the lesson status, the completion status, if they completed it, if they haven't, if they've used too many blocks to solve the puzzle, you'll see all of this information there. You'll see the standards, you'll see the levels, all of it. Now, teachers, I think this program is really awesome because it improves your children's math scores. Um, so I would suggest you actively monitor what it is that they're doing each and every time they tell you they want to go on codeorg. This can be included into one of your groups. Um, when they do the breakout sessions, they can possibly go into code.org. It helps them, it sets them up for being able to go right into the STEM programs. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. Have fun teaching coding. It's pretty easy as you've seen. Uh, that's it. Bye, guys.